Alright, our chicken has been brining overnight. We brined this chicken for 24 hours. So we're going to go ahead and take it out the brine and allow it to drain right here on these racks. That's it. Be back with the next step. Alright, so we got all our chicken on the rack. We're just going to allow it to sit here for a few and just drain, and then we're going to pat it dry. I'm not going to wash the brine off. Chicken needs all the help it can when it comes to seasoning, so I'm not going to rinse the brine off. I'm just merely going to pat it dry, olive oil it, and then season the outside of it. So stay tuned. Alright, wood choice for today is hickory. We're going to take a few chunks, light them up, and put them right in here and drop them right on the bed of lump charcoal down there. Alright, let's start seasoning up some of this chicken. We're going to flip it over, start skin side down, and again, I'm not going to take off the little bit of seasoning that you see on there. It's not much. I didn't add much salt to the brine, so it's not going to be that stiff. It's not going to be salty at all. And this is chicken. They can use all the help it can get. A little olive oil, quick seasoning. Real simple. As always, you know I'm using my stuff. And I'm going on kind of heavy on the bottom side. That's the side that's going to hit the heat first, so I want to kind of develop a crust down there. And we're going to flip it over. And these some big boys, man. These the perfect little substitute for turkey on Thanksgiving. If you don't feel like being bothered with a turkey, these quarter legs is right up your alley then. And that's it. I already flipped that one over. A little season on the skin side. And that's it. I'm going to season up the rest of them, and then we'll put them on the pit. Alright, there we have it. Nice brined and seasoned chicken quarters. That's going to be some good eating right there, man. And that brine, I'm telling you, that brine and these quarter legs makes a hell of a difference. So, fire's getting hot. We'll be on the pit in a minute. My pit is at 300, but with this pit, as soon as you open up that lid, it's going to start ramping up. So, I'm going bone side down. Some big quarter legs, man. Like I said, they perfect for the holidays, man. You don't want no turkey, this is the next best thing right here. Alright, let's see if we can slide 2 more in there. And there we go. And like I say, once you take the lid off this drum smoke, it start ramping up. So I started off at 300. It's going to climb its way up to 350, I'm sure, certainly. So we're going to let it go like this for about an hour. We'll be right back. Alright, we're going to make a white sauce. It's kind of like a combination of Alabama white sauce meets remoulade. So let's go ahead and get started. Mayo. Any kind you like. I like this particular kind. And I'm going to go with probably about, I'm going to say that's a cup. Maybe a cup and a third. Hot sauce. Whatever hot sauce you like. A few dashes. Few, maybe about a half teaspoon of dry cilantro. Few clicks of fresh black pepper. I'm going to go a little heavy on that black pepper. Alright. I like mine spicy, so I'm going to go with a little bit of cayenne pepper. Going with a little bit of celery seed. Use as much as you like. And then, I'm going with some Creole mustard. And I'm not even going to measure it. I'm going to probably say that's about, that may be about a tablespoon and a half. And right here, I have some apple cider vinegar with some pickled mustard seeds in the bottom. So I'm going to add a few dashes of that. Put that to the side. We're going to chop up some green onions. Throw those in the bowl. It's good stuff right there. Here a little fresh garlic. And Smash that on out. We're gonna take, I don't know if you've seen the video I did on smoked salt. I'll put it up here on the left hand side. We're gonna take some of that smoked salt. We're gonna put it on top of that garlic. We're gonna let that sit for a minute, then we'll come back and pulverize that. Because what we want that garlic to do is we want that garlic to sweat out. And we're not worried about the fact that there's raw garlic going into this sauce, because we're gonna cook it on this chicken anyway. So with the crush, with the smoked salt on top of it, breaking it down, making it sweat, we're gonna take it, put it right in the bowl. Alright. We're gonna take some lemon. Squeeze some lemon in there, make sure you catch the seeds. Now it's time to stir it up. Alright, we got it whipped up. We're gonna set it in the refrigerator. Once that chicken is about 10 minutes out from cooking, we're gonna start rubbing it down with this sauce and we'll be on our way, baby. Right, it's been an hour, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over. I got my gloves on, heat-proof gloves, so I don't feel nothing. Smell real good, look real good. So we're gonna let them sit there and cook on the skin side down for about 45 minutes. Then we're gonna come out and mop them suckers with that white sauce and finish them. Once I turn them skin side down, I'm opening these vents up because now I want this skin to really start crisping up. And if you could smell that fresh chicken hitting that charcoal, man, and the drippings from it hitting that charcoal, oh my gosh, man. Man, that chicken skin is rendering that fat and it's hitting that charcoal. Oh boy. Yes, sir. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and mop the bottom side of the chicken. I had already mopped it once. I thought I filmed it and I didn't. But you just want to mop it up real good. Put as much of that sauce on that chicken as you can. We're gonna let it sit and then we'll flip it over. Man, look at that, look at that. A nice little bark crust that's set up on this chicken. It's super juicy because we brined it. Nice little crust cooked over hardwood charcoal. And I mean, this little remoulade / white barbecue sauce is gonna set it off. Yeah, boy. All right, it's time to plate it up. Hey. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Beautiful. If you have any, you got any leftover sauce, just lightly hit them on the end. My sauce is kind of thick, so, but that's it right there. Yes, sir. Take your little chopped parsley or chopped cilantro or whatever you like, and voila, there it is. Beautiful chicken grilled over lump charcoal, finished off with a remoulade white sauce. Yeah, boy. All right, we got some beautiful chicken here. And just know, once you paint it with that sauce and put it back on that grill, it will start to dissolve that sauce right into that chicken skin. Yo, note to self when you make this chicken, please make extra sauce. When I tell you this chicken is killer, I thought I was recording, so I had already ate a piece. So this is pretty much what I got left. When I tell you this chicken is killer, man, incredible. Please try this recipe. Please, 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 please try this recipe. And I guarantee you're gonna like it. As always, good food, good vibes. Yeah, boy!